When you take a sip of water, do you actually know what's happening inside your body? Most people assume it's just quenching thirst. But behind that simple act, there's something much deeper that most people never realize. It's one of the most important biological processes your body can perform. And if you ignore it or misunderstand it, which most people do, you might be missing signals your body is sending about hydration, digestion, blood flow, and even brain function. Let's start with what drinking water the wrong way really means for your body. And by the way, if your body ever suddenly stops processing water efficiently, don't ignore it. We'll talk about why later, and it's something most people wish they had understood earlier. 1. The debunk. Hydration isn't just about quenching thirst. Have you ever thought that drinking water is just about not feeling thirsty? Most people think as long as they sip throughout the day, their body is fine. Here's what's actually happening. Your body isn't just asking for water to stop thirst, it's using that water to regulate blood pressure, maintain cellular balance, and flush out toxins. Even slight dehydration can trigger a complex hormonal response. Think about vasopressin, also called the antidiuretic hormone. When your body senses low hydration, vasopressin makes your blood vessels constrict, your heart rate increase slightly, and tells your kidneys to hold on to water. This is your body actively protecting vital organs. It also affects your brain. Dehydration changes neurotransmitter activity, affecting mood, focus, and even reaction time. You might not realize it, but a small sip of water isn't just thirst relief. It's the first step in a chain reaction that keeps your heart, brain, and cells working efficiently. And here's a deeper thought. Many people mistake mild thirst for hunger or fatigue. That's where confusion starts. Your body is constantly sending signals, and drinking water the wrong way can interfere with these finely tuned warnings. 2. The science. Drinking too fast can shock your system. Have you ever chugged a bottle of water and felt bloated or heavy? Most people think it's harmless, just filling the stomach. Here's what's actually happening. A 2019 study from the University of California found that drinking water too quickly can spike sodium levels and temporarily overwhelm the kidney's ability to filter it. This can create what's called water intoxication in rare cases. But even mild overconsumption stresses your heart and kidneys temporarily. Researchers studying human metabolism discovered that your body absorbs water gradually for a reason. The kidneys process water in carefully regulated amounts to maintain electrolyte balance. When you overload them, blood volume rises too quickly, which increases blood pressure and slightly strains your heart. What makes this even more fascinating is that this mechanism shows how your body prioritizes survival. Your organs are constantly protected by these subtle checks and balances. Every sip you take is monitored by your brain, kidneys, and circulatory system. Your body isn't passively receiving water, it's actively managing it. 3. The internal body response. How your body corrects imbalance. Have you noticed that after drinking a lot quickly, you suddenly need to urinate? Most people think it's just a bladder issue. Here's what's actually happening. Your kidneys detect the sudden surge in water and trigger diuresis, rapidly producing urine to restore electrolyte balance. This isn't random. It's your body carefully regulating sodium, potassium, and chloride levels to keep your cells functioning. Meanwhile, your blood volume temporarily increases, slightly raising heart rate and triggering your nervous system to monitor cardiovascular pressure. If the water is absorbed too quickly, your body signals discomfort or bloating as a warning. Medical studies show that even mild overhydration can affect up to 20% of adults temporarily, especially those with kidney or heart conditions. Your body isn't failing, it's protecting itself, ensuring organs are not damaged by sudden fluid shifts. Think about that for a second. Your body is monitoring hormones, nerves, kidneys, and blood pressure in real time, all from something as simple as taking a sip of water. Mid-roll CTA. And hey, if this makes sense to you, hit like and subscribe. It helps us reach more people who want to understand how their body actually works. 4. The evolutionary or survival connection. Why your body hydrates gradually. Have you ever wondered why your body reacts so strongly to water intake? Most people assume it's just modern biology doing its job. Here's what's actually happening. Humans evolved in environments where water wasn't always available. Your kidneys and thirst mechanisms developed to maximize hydration slowly and prevent sudden imbalances. Rapid water intake would have been rare in ancient survival contexts, so your body never needed to adapt to chugging liters at once. This is why your body sends signals, like bloating, discomfort, or urgency to urinate, when you overwhelm it. It's a protective mechanism from thousands of years of evolution, ensuring survival in unpredictable environments. Think about it. Ancient humans often traveled for hours without water. Their bodies evolved to retain fluids efficiently and signal the need for gradual consumption. Every time you sip water now, you're participating in a system honed over millennia. And here's the fascinating part. This mechanism doesn't just protect you physically, it also affects mental clarity, energy, and even mood. Proper hydration is not a convenience, it's survival biology in action. 5. The selective body signal. Why hydration feels different for everyone. Have you noticed that some people can drink a lot and feel fine, while others feel bloated or dizzy? Most people assume it's just luck or stomach size. Here's what's actually happening. Genetics, lifestyle, and overall health influence how kidneys, heart, and nervous system respond. Some people have more efficient water absorption. Others are more sensitive to electrolyte changes. Your body's hydration signals, thirst, urgency, bloating, fatigue, are unique. They tell you how well your body is coping with fluid balance. By paying attention, you're learning about your own physiology in a way generic guidelines can't teach. Metabolic research shows that age, diet, and activity levels also change these signals. Athletes, for example, can tolerate more water due to increased blood volume and sweating. People with certain conditions, like low sodium or heart issues, may notice subtle warning signs sooner. So, the next time you feel an unusual urge or discomfort, don't ignore it. It's your body telling you how it's handling hydration and protecting your organs. Understanding these signals is a step toward mastering your own health. 6. The ultimate revelation. This is what most people never realize about water. Have you ever considered that something as simple as water intake affects every major organ in your body? Most people think hydration is just about avoiding thirst. Here's what's actually happening. Proper water intake supports brain function, kidney filtration, heart rate regulation, digestion, and cellular repair. Neuroscientists have observed that even mild dehydration can reduce cognitive performance by up to 15% in adults. Metabolic studies show that your liver and kidneys rely on gradual hydration to process toxins efficiently. And it doesn't stop there. Hydration affects blood viscosity, nutrient transport, and even immune cell function. Every sip of water is part of a complex system designed to keep you alive and performing at your best. This is what most people never realize about their body. Water isn't just a drink. It's a lifeline, signaling and protecting every system simultaneously. Remember earlier when I said not to ignore sudden changes in your body's response? This is exactly why. Your body is giving you subtle warnings long before obvious problems occur. 7. The warning. Ignoring hydration signals can be dangerous. Have you ever ignored thirst or pushed yourself to drink water too quickly? Most people assume it's harmless. Here's what's actually happening. Chronic over- or underhydration can lead to kidney stress, electrolyte imbalances, cardiovascular strain, and even long-term cognitive effects. Your body is constantly protecting itself. When you ignore signals like unusual thirst, sudden fatigue, bloating, or rapid urination, that protective system can fail. Over time, this increases risk for hypertension, kidney disease, and even brain function decline. This is why listening to your body is crucial. Don't assume hydration is a passive act. Every sip counts toward maintaining the balance your biology relies on. Think about it. Your body has been designed to survive thousands of years of scarcity and stress. Ignoring these signals is ignoring millions of years of evolutionary wisdom. So, when you take your next sip of water, do you see it the same way? That simple action isn't just quenching thirst. It's your body regulating blood pressure, balancing electrolytes, supporting your brain, and protecting your organs. That's not just hydration. That's your body communicating, protecting, and adapting. And that reaction your body had? It was never random. It was your biology trying to protect you. Remember, your thirst, your urgency, even your bloating. These are all signals. They are the language your body uses to keep you alive and performing at your best. Pay attention, respect the signals, and your body will thank you for it every single day.